How to check if elements of a list are in a string. The inverse of this question, finding a string in a list, is so popular that I wasn't able to find an answer to my question. This obviously doesn't work. Some iteration over the list needs to happen that returns true/false, but I don't know how to accomplish that elegantly. Thanks.
The built-in any function can help you here. It's also possible to get the same effect with all. But I think the first is closer to English, so easier to follow.
You could check for each flag within black_list and filter lines that contain the black_list. This can be done using all. The above checks to see if all of the elements of black_list are present. Use any if you want to reject a line if any of the elements of black_list are present.
Your example code makes it look like you're looking for an element in a file, not just in a string. Regardless, you could do something like this, which illustrates doing both with the built-in any function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.